Since I created your accounts for you, when you come to the Scratch website, you are actually going to first go to sign in. As you go to sign in, you're going to type in the username that we created, as well as the password that you set up. And I'm going to click sign in. Part of the reason I'm doing this one is because sometimes you'll see an error here. Mine jumped right to you've been invited to join this class. Sometimes people see one that looks like an error that says it looks like a new student, we got to set you up, and sometimes it takes a minute or you have to click something to jump to this screen. So if you see something that says like something went wrong, give it a second so that you can actually get in there. Okay. It shows the name of the class and that you've been invited by me. You go ahead and click get started. You may or may not be asked for a new password. Sometimes when I create your account in Scratch individually, it asks you for a new password. Sometimes it just skips that. So I'm going to go ahead and set a password and hit next step. Then it's going to ask you how old you are. Now, if you're wondering why is it asking me this, basically there are some age restrictions on some animations. So it wants to know your age, so it gives you appropriate ones in that initial screen. Okay, not a real big deal. Any of this you can, I think it will let you, it may let you skip it. I usually just go ahead and fill it out. And then when I go to next step, it tells me I'm all set up and I can click go to class. Now, I'll obviously, as we get going, add different things here. But one of the big things to do is you are now ready. Your account is set up. You are now ready to start to create. So you can either go directly into a studio that's already exists for you, or you can also go into create. And once it loads up, you are set to start coding your first project.